Hello guys, how are you? Today I'll show you Audacity apps by making a professional voice for your YouTube channel. If your voice is professional, is clear, your video will grow and your video will be rank higher. So let's do how to make a professional voice by Audacity software. If you don't have Audacity softwares, I will give you just description box the links for downloading Audacity software. Let's do. First, open Audacity apps and by recording your voice, your mobile phone or by Audacity apps, you can record it in these links. So, see the last in this video. You will be learn very important things by this video.